up on the street, high on the roofs where the hippies meet. Well, it's a dead cat, dead cat. Well, all through the week, sure as quiet as a mouse. Saturday night, you go from house to house. I ain't lying, you're the cheating kind, and there's a dead cat on the line. You know you're Nashville when we're walking hand in hand, all running around with one another's man. All through the week, you're as quiet as a mouse. Saturday night, you go from house to house. Down on the playground, up in the street, down in the clubs where the punks on me. I ain't lying, you're the cheating kind, and there's a dead cat on the line. Dead cat, baby. Dead cat, dead cat, baby. Dead cat, dead cat, baby. Come on, baby, 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 come on, baby, baby, come on, ain't nothing to dead cat.
I said, jumping out of bed, I got something in my head. It's a picture, it's a story of Broughton and its glory. Gonna send it to the Salford Star. If you have something to say, maybe it's a fun day down your way. I'll fight for you right on a building site, on the land where your house once stood. They'll pull no punches, they'll fight hard to get your cause heard wide and far. Donations welcome and support, 'cause it's our Salford Star. Donations welcome and support, 'cause it's our SalfordStar.com.
Right, next up I've got a track going out there for Harold and Carol Nuttall in Caddy's. It's the Go-Getters with It's Raining.
It's raining, it never seems to end. Our heart's been broken, that only you can mend. Well, since you left me, baby, it's raining in my heart. I never thought the day would come when you and I were apart. It's raining, never seem to end. It's raining, it never seems to end. Our heart's been broken, that only you can mend. Started drinking wish that it would stop. It's raining. It never seems to end. It's raining. Well, it never seems to end. Don't you know that it's raining? It never seems to end. It's raining. It never seems to end. My heart's been broken that only you can mend. Well, there's a million memories in every little drop. I just can't hold back the tears. I wish that it would stop. It's raining. Never seems to end. It's raining. Well, it never seems to end. Don't you know that it's raining? It never seems to end.
Sure you'll agree that's a beautiful song going out to two very special people if you know them. Coming up next, a bit of self-indulgence on my part, J.D. Macpherson with Northside Girl. It's one of my favourites at the moment.
I pull up that scheme all around the north side. She is still a sweet thing, so unsatisfied. Every time I try, crazy about a north side gal. I got some good talk, but not enough game. Ooh, in a sweet thing, oh, ain't it a shame? Every time I try, crazy about a north side gal. Well, she gets colder every time I try to hold her. Pleasantly saying no to older younger gentlemen. All of them try. They're crazy about a north side gal.
You are listening to the Sounds of Salford rock and roll show with your presenter Ian Cullen. You can visit us on Facebook at the Sounds of Salford and leave a message or ask for a request, or listen and leave us a like.
Now there are 3 steps to heaven. Just listen and you will plainly see. And as life travels on and things do go wrong, just follow steps 1, 2, and 3. Step 1, find a girl to love. Step 2, she falls in love with you. Step 3, you kiss and hold her tightly. Yeah, that sure seems like heaven to me. A formula for heaven's very simple. Just follow the rules and you will see. And as life travels on and things do go wrong, just follow steps 1, 2, and 3. Step 1, you find a girl to love. Step 2, she falls in love with you. Step 3, you kiss and hold her tightly. Yeah, that sure seems like heaven to me. Just follow steps 1, 2, and 3.
That was Tequila Hoedown and the 3 Steps to Heaven. Coming up next, Levi Dexter and the Rock Cats with Rockabilly Idol.
Some time ago, the rockabilly idol, the way he laid down a beat, he just won't stop, he sure can rock, and the sound is really neat. So I strolled on down to the local dance, see what I could see. He had a lopsided smile in his own little style, he ain't like you and me. Rockabilly idol, sing me a song. Rockabilly idol, he's real gone. Looks red tag, real good cat, singing loud and singing it long. Things are getting cool for the rockabilly idol, beginning to make a name. He's got his hair combed back, he's on